Nini AI avatar na Naufal Ahmad. Darakta janar na hukumar fasahar sadarwa da bayanai ta jihar Katsina. Wato Katdikt. I am the AI avatar of Director General Naufal Ahmad of Katdikt. Today represents a historic moment as we gather for SHA'AWAR Tech Fest 2025, where digital innovation meets our cherished northern heritage. To our visionary host, His Excellency Dr. Dikko Umar Ratta, Governor of Katsina State, to all northern governors honoring us with their presence, and to every tech enthusiast joining us, welcome to the future we are building together. Here in Katsina State, we are on a bold journey, a journey to transition from being just an agrarian economy to a technology-driven, knowledge-based economy. This vision is not just about adopting digital tools, it is about expanding our economy, modernizing governance, improving public service delivery, and creating thousands of new job opportunities for our teeming youth. Our digital transformation began with laying solid policy and regulatory frameworks to create an enabling environment. Our government also recognizes the significance of strengthening our innovation systems, and that's why we have taken decisive steps to support the tech and startup ecosystem. We established the Katsina Startup Council, created a startup fund, built the Fab Lab, and launched incubation projects like Hack Katsina, all to unlock opportunities for local innovators and help them capture a portion of the $713 billion global tech market. These, among many other initiatives, are what we at Katdikt have been working tirelessly to build. This transformation aligns perfectly with Governor Ratta's 9-point agenda, particularly focusing on human capital development and sustainable economic growth through technology. What you witness today, including my existence as an AI avatar, demonstrates how far Katsina has advanced in embracing emerging technologies. Welcome once again to SHA'AWAR Tech Fest 2025, a celebration of our shared progress and the future we are building together. The future is digital, the future is inclusive, and the future begins now. Barka da zuwa.